Hi, we're here at the Yamaha booth and with Blake Angelos, and he's going to explain what's going on with this elaborate controller system.
Yeah, so this is a one-off system for two of the technologies in Montage M. This is the hardware controller for ANX. So ANX is our virtual circuitry modeling, analog modeling technology that we have in Montage M. And for Superbooth this year, our engineers designed a hardware interface that uses MIDI 1.0 to address every parameter that's in an ANX sound or part in the Montage M. And it's very cool. I mean, all of these controls send system exclusive or MIDI controller data to address all of the different oscillators 1, 2, and 3. You go over on this side, you have your modifiers for LFO, stuff like that. Filter section and envelope right here. So this is the ANX hardware control. It's got this cool little screen built in, and you can see it manipulate the stuff in here. It's just a hardware controller for this guy right here. And this is the FMX one. So these are, each one of these is each operator of the 8 operators in the FMX sound in here. Algorithm setting here, you can see it right here. You can adjust it, with the knob in here. Envelopes, LFO, filter, amplitude, and then the portamento control down here and operators. But it's just a really cool hardware visual system that shows what is going on inside of the M7. It's just a one-off, so it's not a thing that we're selling or anything, but it is definitely impressive, you have to admit. So,
and the Montage also supports MIDI 2.0, correct?
It does. Montage is one of, I think it is the first instrument from Yamaha that is, we're slowly bringing in these features to make it fully compatible, but we're getting closer and closer with each OS update. OS version 3.0 adds even more compatibility to MIDI 2.0 specifications. So.
Yeah, and one of the things about MIDI 2.0 is that it also includes MIDI 1.0.
That's
so
right.
This is a great demonstration of the fact that you're using MIDI 1.0 SysX, bridging it over to the Montage, and it all works, and that's the most important thing.
It works really. The high resolution control that you get with Montage M is so noticeable, especially something like the Montage M8X, which also has, it's the weighted action version, but it has a electromagnetic induction sensor, so it's capable of producing the velocity scaling that's needed for the high resolution control in MIDI 2.0. It's very cool how it works.
Great, thanks, Blake.
Yeah, thank you.